Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to make this delicacy called gizdodo. I hope after watching this video you will love it and also share with friends and family. Alright guys, let's get into the cooking process. Here I have my well-washed gizzard, which I use water and vinegar to wash. I will transfer my gizzard into the pot, then add some thyme, paprika powder, garlic powder, seasoning cube, some chopped onion, some salt to taste, then stir to combine well. Add a bit of water to cook properly and allow to cook for about 25 minutes on a medium heat until it's soft. Now we leave it to cook and come back to check on it later. Next, we have our ripe plantain that is properly washed. Peel out the skin. Place it on a chopping board, cut them into cube sizes. It doesn't have to be that perfect. This is what we have after cutting it into cube sizes. Guys, it's been 25 minutes. Let's check on our gizzard to know if it's done. At this point, our gizzard is ready. I will turn off the stove. Next, I am going to fry the cut plantain, so ensure your oil is well heated before adding the diced plantain into the hot oil. Fry plantain till they are rich gold brown color, and this should take at least 4 minutes. When the plantain are perfectly fried, scoop them out and place on a plate lined with paper towel to get rid of any oil. I will use the same oil as that of the plantain to fry the gizzard as well. Fry our gizzard until nice brown color. Now, I love what I see, guys. I will be scooping it out into a bowl. So guys, let's go ahead and blend our tomato puree, which contains 3 medium tomato, red pepper, garlic, Scotch bonnet, and onion. Add some water to make the blending process easier. If you notice, guys, I didn't blend it that smooth because I needed this rough texture in making the sauce. Place your pot on a medium heat and add your extra olive virgin oil or any oil of your choice. Allow the oil to heat up for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then pour in your chopped onions. Stir. Add your blended tomato puree and stir to combine. Cover the pot and let it cook until all the water content has evaporated or dried, and this should take at least 10 to 12 minutes. At this point, I checked on my sauce and it's looking good. I will go ahead and add the chopped carrot for that crunchiness. Then add some thyme, curry powder, little garlic powder, seasoning cube, and salt for taste. Transfer the gizzard into the pot and stir so that both the sauce and the gizzard will mix up well. I added some gizzard stock for additional flavor, but it's optional. Then we are going to allow it to simmer for about 4 minutes so that everything can infuse together. It's been 4 minutes, guys. Now let's go ahead and add our fried plantain. Then give it a good stir to ensure that the plantain is being coated with the sauce. Finally, add the diced peppers. Stir to combine for at least 1 minute, then take it off the heat immediately. Guys, this recipe is looking irresistible. I can't wait to try it. It goes well with so many things like beans, rice, you name it. So you can serve it in your party, and I am sure that your guests will love it. Share with your loved ones. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel.